Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, October 12th. Time is around 7:20 GMT, and we will have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Wanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and we are considering two scenarios. A scenario where we had a wave one right here, and that we came down as a wave two. We did this as an A, B, C correction indicated here in green. And then there is also a secondary scenario that assumes that we made a wave B high here and that we are coming down as wave C, and then we should go into this area. If you want to have more details on this scenario, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis, but the idea is that we should go here into this area as 5 waves, and then what we get is wave one here, the wave two, this is the wave three, the three right here. And so now we are in wave four area. So if we take the length of our wave three from here, then this area here is the area from where we can expect a reversal if this is a wave 4, and then this wave 4 should be followed by a wave 5 down. So these are the two scenarios, and with additional data we got right now, I start to believe that this here becomes an impulse as indicated in green. So that would invalidate here the wave 4 and the ABC scenario. For now, I keep it on my chart, but I might remove it soon. Like actually, the real test will be when we come down here. Then this low should hold. So my expectation now would be that this low will hold, as we are getting 5 waves here. So especially if we look like at the 15-minute, we could see like this here is a cycle here as wave one, this here too, and it looks like here we have another cycle. So 3 impulsive cycles with 2 corrective moves. This make an impulse in total, so 5 waves. And so if this is 5 waves, after 5 waves comes a corrective move, 3 waves down, after 5 waves up. So then I would expect this low here to hold, so that we are having our wave 1 here, that we come down as a wave 2 here, and that we are ready then for a wave 3 up. But then then this scenario here gets invalidated, the wave 4 scenario. This is what I would expect now based on the data we have right now. Where exactly we will end with this wave 5, this is a bit difficult to forecast. Could be that or 5 waves of the wave 5 are just a bit hidden in this structure, like 1, 2, then here an impulse 3, and then here something as a leading, as an ending diagonal wave 5, and so wave 5 could be finished right here. However, it could also be that that we get something, that we get a better structure in the terms of swings, that we get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like as an ending diagonal from here. This is a bit hard to say. But overall, I would expect this structure to end soon, that we have a pullback as a wave 2, and then this will be the real test, and this low here should then hold. And if the low holds, then I think we're good to see another upward move, and then we have to analyze again where we could be heading. But this is for a later stage. So first of all, let's look here at this structure, if it plays out like I forecasted, and then yeah, we will see what to do if we get a downward move here and then a reversal again from here. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.